But they keep a record. I don't know how good, and again, I wouldn't totally rely on it, but it's a free resource that your government provides, and we take all of them. They take enough from us, right? Grant Street and Real Auction are the two sites for tax lien certificates, the two internet sites. This is Grant Street, grantstreet.com. Shows you the listings of all the counties. They have different counties. They all have separate ones. Hillsborough was with Real Auction and they switched over to Grant Street. This is a Real Auction. Shows the Florida. Can't see it too good. And then we have, well, I told you online, they have the tax deed schedule. See, about 2 in a month, and here's the mortgage foreclosure schedule, which is every day plus. And then they break it down. Has anyone been on and seen the foreclosures on the internet through Real Auction? Has anybody looked at them? I mean, just to go, even for the tax deed, you go in, there's good deals. Go out, if you're out there looking for properties, I mean, I recommend you go check the tax deeds out and see what it's about at least. Oh, I had